This is the Capability for Work questionnaire for Universal Credit, the section About You. You will need the following information from top to bottom of the section: your surname, your other names, your title, your home address, your date of birth, your national insurance number, and a phone number that you can be contacted on, and this does not have to be a UK number. Next subsection asks about any hospital stay that you may have had for 28 or more days in the last 12 months. If you have stayed in a hospital as a patient for 28 or more days in the last 12 months, you will need to tick yes and fill in the from to dates of your stay, as well as the name of the hospital in the appropriate boxes. If you have not had to stay in a hospital for this period of time, tick no and continue to the next subsection. The next subsection asks whether you have served in the UK Armed Forces. Tick yes if you have, then select the service you were in, such as Army, Royal Navy, Royal Marines, or Royal Air Force, and fill in the date that you left the service. If you have not served in the Armed Forces, tick no and continue with the form. The next subsection asks whether you have been released from prison in the last 6 months. If this applies to you, tick yes and fill in the appropriate box with the date that you left. The next subsection of the page asks whether you are pregnant. Tick yes if this applies to you and state the approximate date that your baby is due. The final subsection asks whether you are filling in and returning this questionnaire later than was asked of you initially. If you are, tick yes and provide a brief explanation as to why that is the case. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.